A growing backlash against mandatory vaccinations against a sexually transmitted virus that can cause cervical cancer. Concerns that a push to vaccinate hundreds of thousands of sixth-grade girls was moving too quickly because of drug company lobbying and efforts. Christine Romans has the report.
Texas Governor Rick Perry has no regrets about making the HPV vaccine mandatory for sixth-grade girls.
For the life of me, when the CDC and when the other experts come forward and say, this is safe, it's been tested, and it's available, why in the world we would not make it available to our daughters?
Making it available is not the issue. Making it mandatory is, especially in light of the intensive State House lobbying by the vaccine's maker, Merck. Barely 6 months after the FDA approved the vaccine, Gardasil, 22 states are considering making it mandatory for 11 or 12-year-old girls.
I think they made a clear choice to do a national marketing program in trying to get state legislatures across the country to mandate their new drug.
At $120 a dose for a series of 3 shots over 6 months, Merck's vaccine could be a blockbuster, scoring $235 million in sales last year, and that's just getting started. Merck admits its lobbying became a, quote, distraction.
We've decided to not lobby for school laws for HPV vaccine at this time.
This after complaints the process was moving too quickly, stepping on parental rights and stirring up cultural conservatives who worried vaccinating children against a sexually transmitted disease might promote unsafe sex, something public health officials dismiss.
Cancer is not about sex. Cancer is about public health. Vaccines are about public health. And this vaccine can save lives.
By the age of 50, 80% of women have been exposed to this virus. 10,000 a year develop cervical cancer. The FDA says this vaccine is safe. The CDC recommends all girls be vaccinated, but public health officials do admit that it may be too soon to make something like this mandatory, Lou. But in Texas, the governor there is going ahead with this. He's undaunted by the criticism. He says it's something that girls there should have. Parents can opt out, but he still wants to keep it mandatory.
Christine, thank you very much. Christine Romans.